diesel cycle engine was first discovered at an imperial patent office in Germany by Rudolf Diesel. On February of 1897, Rudolf Diesel ran the first diesel engine suitable for practical use. This ran at an efficiency of 75%. He had previous models that weren't near as efficient, therefore they didn't use them. The early diesel engines were primarily used for industrial and shipping due to the size and the weight of the engine. Later models supported more efficient sizes and weights. The thermal source of the diesel engine cycle is the combustion of the diesel fuel. This converts heat to work. The working fluid is an internal combustion engine like a diesel would simply be the air it sucks in and passes out of the exhaust. Compared to any other regular internal or external engines, the diesel engine has the highest efficiency. This is due to the high compression ratio.